Application of matrices and determinant. A matrix is a rectangular or a square array of elements arranged in rows and columns. Theorem 1. For every square matrix A of order n, A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A, which is equal to determinant of A into I. Let A be a square matrix of order n if there exists a square matrix B of order n such that AB, which is equal to BA, equal to I. Then the matrix B is called an inverse of A. Theorem 2. If a square matrix has an inverse, then it is unique. Theorem 3. Let A be the square matrix of order n, then A inverse exists if and only if A is non-singular. Left cancellation law. Let A, B and C, B are square matrices of order n. If A is non-singular and AB equal to AC, then after the left cancellation, B equal to C. Right cancellation law. Let A, B and C be square matrices of order n. If A is non-singular and BA equal to CA. After the right cancellation, then we will get B equal to C. Reversal law of inverse. If A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then the product AB is also non-singular and AB whole inverse, which is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Law of double inverse. If A is non-singular, then A inverse also non-singular and A inverse of inverse, which is equal to A. Theorem 5. If A and B are any two non-singular square matrices of order n, then adjoint of AB equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Echelon form. A rectangular matrix is an echelon form if it has following three properties. All non-zero rows are above any row of all zeros. Each leading entry of row is in a column to the right of the leading entry of the row above it. All entries in a column below a leading entry are zeros. Steps to find rank of matrix. First step, the given matrix should be a square matrix. If it is not so, the matrix should not be made a square matrix by deleting the extra row or the column. Step 2, find the determinant of the square matrix given or obtained after deleting extra row or column. Step 3, the determinant of the matrix is 0, that take the submatrix of the given matrix. If the determinant of any one of the submatrices is not 0, then order of that submatrix would be the rank of the given matrix. Using minus, let A be an m by n matrix. The rank of A is maximal order of the non-zero minor of A. Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Write the augmented matrix, interchange rows if necessary. To obtain a non-zero first entry, pivot on this entry. Interchange rows if necessary to obtain a non-zero second entry in the second row. Pivot on this entry. Continue until the row reduced form. Solving the square system using inverse matrices. If Ax equal to B, A is matrix of coefficient, X is matrix of variables, B is matrix of constants, then A inverse into X equal to A inverse of B. I into X equal to A inverse of B. X equal to A inverse into B, which gives us the solution to our variables. Cramer rule. Apart from the matrix inverse method, Cramer rule provides a simple method of solving a simultaneously equations. X equal to ax by determinant of a, y equal to determinant of ay by determinant of a, and z equal to determinant of az by determinant of a. Gaussian elimination method. Gaussian elimination method is an algorithm for solving the system of linear equations. Ricci-Capelli theorem. A system of linear equations written in the matrix form as Ax equal to b is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the argument matrix. That is, rank of A equal to rank of AB. Types of solution. Suppose a linear system AB matrix is given where A has m rows and n columns. The system is consistent if the augmented column is a pivot column. The system is consistent if the augmented column is not pivot column. There is a unique solution if number of pivot columns equal to n. There is an infinite number of solution. The number of pivot columns less than 2n. Thank you.